Hi, in our last video we have discussed if you are selling any land, building or both, and if you are investing the index profit as per section 54 EC, then you need not to pay any tax on that. The question is, do we really need to invest into the capital gain bonds as per section 54 EC? Let's discuss with the help of the one example. Let's suppose you have got the index profit of 10 lakhs, and that index profit, if you invest as per section 54 EC, then after 5 years you will be getting approximately 12,91,000. But if the same amount you do not intend to invest into the section 54 EC, then you need to pay capital gain tax of 2,08,000, and after tax your return amount will be 7,92,000. In that case you need to invest that amount somewhere where you will be getting the return of 10.28% or more. Then only you will be able to achieve the target of 12,91,000. Otherwise you should invest into the 54 EC, and if you are getting the more return than 10.28%, then you should not invest into the 54 EC and you should invest somewhere else. Share it with someone who need it. Follow us for more updates like this.